How to make MegaVert wheels for Heelys. MegaVert wheels are a custom-made wheel for Heelys. They're harder than regular wheels, so they're better suited for vert riding. They can only be made for shoes that use large-sized mega wheels. Steps. 1. Take 2 skateboard wheels and shave half of each one down. Make sure you shave down the side of the wheel that faces outward. When on a skateboard, use a sander. 2. Use industrial strength glue to bond the shaven down sides of the wheels. Leave the sides aligned while the glue dries. 3. Insert bearings in both sides of the newly formed wheel. 4. Insert a standard Heelys axle into the slots inside the wheels. 5. Put your new MegaVert wheel into your Heelys. 6. Repeat steps 1-5 to make another MegaVert wheel for your other shoe. Tips. Don't use too much glue, or it'll ooze out of your wheel and make a big mess. Be patient. This process takes some time. If you are a true Heelys user, you can wait for your wheels to be finished. Warnings. Be careful when shaving down the wheels. You could harm your fingers if you're not careful. Things. A pair of Heelys, which uses large-sized mega wheels. For standard skateboard wheels, size 28-31. For 608 size bearings. 2 Heelys coin axles. Industrial strength glue. Automatic sand belt shaver.